Welcome to the positional trade review for the month of September 2021 from Market Secrets. This episode is to review the positional trades taken during month of September 2021. We generally share our positional trading plan and positional trading levels at the start of every month. That is, at the start of every new monthly expiry contracts. And this video is to review how those positional trades panned out at the end of the month. As you all know, we generally trade on 8 stocks, which is INFI, ITC, JSWSTEEL, LUPIN, Reliance, SUNPHARMA, BHARTIARTL and ICICIBANK, and 2 indices, that is NIFTY and BANKNIFTY every month. We also have automated alerts being triggered whenever we trade. You can subscribe for this service completely free of charge using the link in the description section of this video. The name of the Telegram channel for automated alerts is Positional Alerts. With that note, let's begin our positional trading review for the trades taken during September 2021. This was another good month to take positional trades. Let's start our review with indices first. First on the list is Nifty. Long entry on Nifty was triggered on the first week of September expiry with a strong bullish move and a perfect entry. Trade moved steadily and it hit all three targets smoothly. It was a clean picture perfect trade. Second long entry was triggered on Nifty 2 weeks later and it gave the first target and then reversed and hit our trailing stop loss. So we had to exit this trade at cost. Price gave re-entry on the second long few days later and it almost reached target 2. We exited near target 2 as there was huge OI resistance at 18,000. This was a good trade and it set the tone for rest of the month. Next on the list is Bank Nifty. Long entry was triggered on first week of September with a strong bullish move and a perfect entry and it gave all three targets after making sideways move for few days. After reaching the target, price gave another pullback entry cleanly and gave all three targets once again. This was the perfect trade of the month. This one single trade can explain how powerful our positional trading levels are. It gave 1000 points in Bank Nifty 2 times with a pinpoint accuracy. That's the power of our levels. Coming to the stocks, first on the list is Bharati Airtel. Long entry was triggered on Bharati Airtel on first week of September expiry with strong bullish move and a perfect entry. The trade moved steadily and it hit all three targets in the next couple of days. Price continued to rally and gave the second long entry on the same day and all three targets on the second trade was hit cleanly as well. It was a clean picture perfect trade. Next on the list is ICICIBANK. There was no trade here. Price gapped up near our long target 1 and then it started dropping, invalidating the entry. Price remained range bound and stayed around our entry price for almost the whole month. There were no trades in ICICIBANK this month. Next on the list is INFI. Short side entry was triggered on the first week of September with a perfect entry and the price almost hit target 1. But then price reversed all of a sudden and we had to exit near cost with a small loss. The exact same thing happened on the long side couple of weeks later. This was a weird trade of the month. We had to exit both the long and short side trades with a small loss as our trailing stop loss was hit. Next on the list is ITC. Price gave entry on the long side at the start of the month and it gave all three targets. Second long side trade was triggered as well, but price shot up like rocket after entry. The price didn't give any chance or pullback entry to enter the second long side trade and we missed a huge profits here. But the good news is finally the giant ITC has woken up from the slump, which is good news for my long-term portfolio. This was another good trade for the month, even though we missed a second trade. Next on the list is JSWSTEEL. Short side entry was triggered at the mid of the month and it hit our target 1 but reversed immediately and then it hit our trailing stop loss. So we had to exit this trade at cost. We were expecting a huge drop in JSWSTEEL but it didn't happen. Next on the list is Lupin. Price gave entry on the long side at the start of the month and it went close to target 2. Then price started dropping a bit before bouncing back again and went close to target 2, forming a double top pattern. This double top pattern was formed near the OA resistance of 1000, so we had to exit near target 2. This was another good trade for the month. The next one is Reliance. Price gave entry on the long side at the first week of September and it gave all three targets quickly. Price gave second long side entry after a couple of weeks and gave two targets quickly. Reliance gave 250 points easily without too much fuss. This was another good trade for the month. And the last one on the list is SUNPHARMA. The price gave entry on the long side at the start of the month and it almost hit target 2. Since OI resistance was strong at 800 and since the price had already formed double top pattern, we exited near target 2. Price started dropping back towards our entry from there and gave re-entry on the long side, which was not a good pullback. But we took the second trade as well, but price started dropping from there and stayed flat for another week. We had to exit near cost with small profits after 2 weeks of long wait, and couple of days after our exit, price shot up like rocket and gave all three targets on the same day. We missed a huge profits here. But overall, this was another good month for us and the entire Market Secrets community when it comes to positional trading. In addition, there was another good news this month from Market Secrets, which is discounted launch of option analytics. We really hope you have traded on some of these instruments and made some good profits. Please share your experience or feedback with us if you have taken any of these trades. If you have any questions or clarifications on taking positional trades, feel free to ask in the comment section. And now, are you ready for trading using October month levels? We have already shared the trading levels for month of October in our Market Secrets and Positional Alerts Telegram channels. To get automatic alerts whenever positional trades are being triggered based on our levels, you can join our Positional Alerts Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to the channel in the description section of this video. Do you want to learn how to use monthly levels file? Then you can check out our video on positional trading using monthly levels. I'll leave the link to the video in the description section of this video. You can use our level strategy along with basic technical analysis to mint money in positional trading. Finally, do you want to learn how to generate these levels and need full-fledged training on intraday, swing, positional, and options trading? Then you can consider joining our Professional Traders program, otherwise called as PTP. I'll leave the link to our training program details in the description section of this video. Also, if you want to trade on the stocks other than the 8 stocks shared in our Positional Alerts channel, then you can refer our monthly levels file in our website, which has trading levels for all the F&O stocks. I'll leave the link to our website in the description section of this video. For any queries, reach us anytime through WhatsApp or Telegram. Our contact details are available in our website. Finally, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope it was useful. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.